Alright, today we're going to take a look at another summer Zippo. And this one arrived with a nice white sleeve, cardboard sleeve, and it says Doom above the barcode. It's a genuine Zippo, made in USA. It also says Doom on the label. And it was made in Bradford, PA. So this is on a candy apple red finish, which is pretty nice. And there's a red skull there. It's not a mirror finish, but it's really shiny. And this one was made in D of 19, or April of 19. Really good stampings. Good sound, and a steel insert. So that skull is embossed on there, or stamped. Let's do a drop test on this thing. On the red skull. So that is what they Zippo is calling Doom. It's just a red skull on a candy apple finish Zippo. It's a really nice one. I'll put it over here. Next to some of my other favorite red Zippos. And speaking of red, here's another TV series I'm binging on this summer. It's called Dexter. I think this is a Showtime original. It's a couple years old, but it's pretty funny. And the red Doom Zippo definitely deserves some repaired cowbell. Knuckle bomb.